In the labyrinth of cyberspace, where digital pulses form the very heartbeat of our modern existence, a frontier awaits to be secured. Welcome to the digital frontier, a realm where protecting your digital presence is not just prudent, it's essential. Like a vigilant lock on your front door, cybersecurity is the bulwark that shields your personal data from the relentless surge of cyber threats. Envision your every keystroke, each byte of data, vulnerable to the sophisticated reach of hidden adversaries. This stark reality is what we face. Yet today we usher in an era of empowerment, taking you into a sanctuary of knowledge where cybersecurity translates into decisive action. Understand digital safety's true significance as we explore the essentials of safeguarding your data, grasping risk mechanics, and equipping ourselves with powerful protection tools. So kindle your curiosity, for our journey to master the art of cybersecurity begins now. Stay tuned as we unveil the complex tapestry of this domain and prepare to metamorphose from digital denizens into cyber sentinels. In the expansive digital cosmos, with data as currency that traverses at light speed, cybersecurity stands firm as our virtual protector. Now, we venture on an essential quest to comprehend its vital role. We will delve into the nuances of cybersecurity, the intricate art that defends our networks, devices, and the precious data they store against relentless cyber incursions. In this digital landscape abound with risks, viruses poised to disrupt and sophisticated phishing plots to outwit, the well-informed remain undaunted. By adopting a cybersecurity mindset, we transition from reactive to proactive, a shift that spells the difference between exposure and resilience. Journey with us deeper into this world, nourished by knowledge, and bear in mind, your proactive steps create an impenetrable shield for your online enclave. The principles you learn today lay the foundation of your defenses. Advancing in our digital quest, it is time to employ proactive measures to secure our cyberspaces. Strong passwords serve as the initial line of defense. Picture them as the robust walls of your digital domain. By incorporating a mixture of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, these passwords thwart unwanted entry. However, a strong wall is not the sole guarantee of security. Here, two-factor authentication provides a crucial additional safeguard. Acting as your loyal gatekeeper, it pairs something you know, your password, with something you possess, like a security key, creating a daunting challenge for intruders. Safe browsing habits are equally critical. As you traverse the internet's vast expanse, be wary of suspicious links and undisclosed websites. Regular software updates and secure connections fortify your digital escapades. Equipped with these strategies, your digital presence evolves into a fortress with reinforced defenses, yet our construction never ceases. Navigating the digital terrain, we've embraced strong passwords and the resilience of firewalls. Yet, as cyber adversaries evolve, so must our defenses. Picture your data as a treasure that demands an impregnable vault. Data encryption is this vault, coding sensitive information into an unreadable format, accessible only with the right key. While in transit, using secure Wi-Fi is akin to fortifying the invisible threads binding us to the greater web. Always ascertain the trustworthiness of networks and consider a VPN to bolster security. Managing personal information online is an art in itself. Carefully select what you disclose and your sharing platforms. Our journey forward will reveal how staying vigilant and informed emerges as our most formidable weapon against the escalating threat of cyber intrusions. Anticipate our final chapter, where the essence of vigilance against digital invaders is laid bare. As we reach the zenith of our cybersecurity odyssey in this final chapter, the command lies with us to stay vigilant, to adapt, and to combine forces in safeguarding our digital realms. The shape-shifting nature of cyber threats demands our constant vigilance. Remain up to date by engaging with cybersecurity news, keeping your knowledge as current as the ever-refreshing software updates that shield us. Yet the true strength in protecting the digital landscape derives from our collective watchfulness. Participate in forums, attend webinars, and engage in conversations that bolster cybersecurity intellect. United, our capabilities magnify exponentially. Remember, as this segment concludes, that cybersecurity is a perpetual voyage, not a static endpoint. Carry the insights you've gained, build upon them, and stay ever ready to navigate the undulating terrain of cyberspace. It's in your hands to wield the dual powers of awareness and action.